Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a journey to transform your home into a cozy autumn oasis with our fabulous fall decor ideas. Crisp golden leaves falling gently outside your window, the comforting scene of cinnamon and cloves wafting through the air, and the warm embrace of soft blanket and the fluffy pillows. That is the magic of fall, and today we are going to help you bringing that magic indoors. In this video, we will guide you through a plethora of simple yet stunning fall decor ideas that anyone can recreate. No need for a degree in interior designs, just a bit of creativity and some inspirations. First up, we will show you how to create a captivating fall theme centerpieces for your dining table using items you probably already have at home. It is the perfect way to set the mood for cozy dinners with loved ones. Even wonders how to make your front porch the envy of the neighborhood during the fall season. We have got you covered with tie, wreath, pumpkins display, and outdoor lighting that will welcome your guest with open arms. Of course, we cannot forget the cozy nooks. Learn how to effortlessly transition your living space with warm toned blanket, rustic accents, and earthy textures that will make you never want to leave your comfy spot. And if you are a fan of dye projects, we have got a special treat for you. We will demonstrate how to craft your every own autumn theme decorations from adorable pin cone all to leaf grand lands that will add that extra touch of charm to your home. Don't worry, we will provide step by step instructions and all the materials we will need. Plus, we will give you tips on where to find just friendly decor pieces to make your transformation adorable and fun. So, whether you are a seasoned decorator or a complete beginner, our fall decor ideas will inspire and guide you to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your home this autumn. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our upcoming